Two-factor authentication not working on Cadre Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Cadre, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access your investments. But most of the time, this issue has a simple fix. The surprising truth? It's always caused by time mismatches, outdated apps, or connection errors, not by a problem with your account. Start with your phone's clock. Two-factor authentication codes depend on your device being perfectly in sync with Cadre's servers. If your time is off by even a few seconds, your code won't match. Go to your phone settings, enable Set Time automatically, and restart your device. If you're using Google Authenticator, open it, tap the menu, choose Time Correction for codes, and hit Sync now. If you're using SIMS verification and not receiving codes, check your signal strength or try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Sometimes short code messages get delayed or filtered by your carrier, so restarting your phone or toggling airplane mode can help. Next, check for updates. Make sure both your Cadre app and your Authenticator app are running the latest versions. Outdated software can lead to code mismatches or timeout errors during login. If you've switched devices, deleted your Authenticator app, or lost access to it, you need to reset your two-factor authentication. On the Cadre login page, click Can't Access FA and follow the recovery steps to verify your identity. Once verified, you can re-enable FA on your new device safely. Here's something most users overlook. Always store your backup recovery codes in a secure location. They can instantly restore access if you ever lose your FA device. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Cadre, don't worry. These simple sync and update steps usually solve the problem fast. Once fixed, you'll be back in your account, protected by strong security and ready to continue managing your real estate investments confidently.